The Hamediyah mushroom farm outside Ramadi, Iraq, is a privately owned, family-run company. Established in 1984 by the Kurbit brothers, it quickly grew into one of the largest and most successful mushroom farms in the Middle East.
كان أيامها هو الأول على الشرق الأوسط بالقدرة وبالمكنة اللي بيه. المشروع كان يعني عرف العراقيين على الفطر.
Unfortunately, conflict in the region halted the growing business.
المعمل لأسباب تدريج الحروب والظرف اللي كان عليه وعدم استيراد المواد الأولية الأساسية بالإنتاج اللي هي البذور والبتموس، توقف وردينا اشتغلنا بمواد محلية بال 93 وتوقف النوم مرة، وكانت طبعا صادفتنا مشاكل مادية وقفت المشروع كذا مرة يعني on and off.
In 2004, a bomb destroyed a house on the property, killing one of the brothers. The business closed, but was not forgotten. 4 years later, USAID's Inma agribusiness program helped reopen the flagship business.
Inma came in and provided grants and technical assistance in order to help them reestablish their successful business. Inma brought in an international expert in mushroom production to assist them to optimize their production facility and increase their marketing capability.
Production restarted in June 2009. 2 years later, the facility was in full swing, producing 9.8 metric tons of mushrooms per month.
تمويل المشروع عن طريق إنما وقدرنا نبدي إنتاج ونرجع لمكانتنا بالسوق.
We're not going to be restoring agriculture, but we're also giving a basis for the private sector in this country to come back and get re-engaged. There was this element of what is called the business development services area within Inma that was set up primarily for the purposes of providing these farmers to not only be able to develop the capability to help market the products, but also collectively get organized and be able to lobby effectively with the government to see change within the various areas.
They see this as a viable business. They're a co-investor in another mushroom facility in KRG, so they've actually expanded their business. The market is so large, the demand is very high, and their quality is very good. So the customers recognize that.
ما لها الفضل الأول والأخير بالموضوع عادة الإنتاج المعمل.